Hot, spicy chili chicken.
Take half kg chicken. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Add garam masala powder half tablespoon. Add haldi 1/3 teaspoon. Add 3 tablespoon of oil. Add salt to taste. Add Greek yogurt 2 tablespoons. Mix it all ingredients. Add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. For smoke, use a hot coal and add some drop of oil. Now cover and rest for 5 minutes. Now rest for 1 hour. Put on stove with low flame. Add some ghee and cover. Cook half hour until chicken fully cooked.
Enjoy the yummiest smoked hot chili chicken with naan.
Subscribe channel, like and comment.